Copying on the Xerox WorkCentre 7120 is actually quite easy. You may have a number of these buttons, but you'll always see this copy button, so just click on the copy button, and there's several different settings you can choose in here. So first of all, the auto detect color. That will automatically detect if there is color on the page and will reproduce a color document. You can force it to color, or if you want just a black and white reproduction, you can choose the black and white here. That way, even if there's color in the original document, it will still print out in black and white. The reduce enlarge area here, that will allow you to change the percentage, reduce the size of the copy or increase it, or you can go into the presets and you'll see there's a number of preset options in here. For example, if you want to bring an 1117 down onto 8.5 by 11, you would choose that. For us though, we'll just leave it at 100% and we'll save that. And then we'll go into the next area. You can select the paper source you're choosing. That's which tray has paper and the type of paper you want to print on. If you leave it on auto select, then it'll choose whichever paper is the correct size for your original document. The next area is actually quite important. In the two-sided copying, if your original document is one-sided, you'll want to choose one of these two settings. If you want to reproduce it as a single-sided document, you would choose one-sided to one-sided. But if you want to reproduce your single-sided document into a two-sided document, you can choose this one. That way it will scan each page and then automatically put them back to back on each other. That'll save you half the amount of paper. If your original is a two-sided document, you need to choose one of these two settings. If you want to reproduce it as a two-sided document, you would choose this one, two-sided to two-sided. If you want to reproduce it as a single-sided document, choose this one. It will scan each side of your two-sided document and reproduce it single-sided on twice as many sheets of paper. So these are the most common settings that we'll want to set. And for my document, actually I'm going to leave it on auto detect and single-sided to single-sided. I have a single page. I'm going to put it into the document feeder on top of the machine, and then I'll hit the green button, which will take the document in, scan it, and then reproduce it on another sheet of paper, which will print out right in the middle. And that's all we have to do for copying.